Hello friends. So today I want to tell you about my story of reading books. I read many books and some books inspired me. So in the list which the books which I read, I wanted to come today with 5 books which helped me changing my life. So let's start our journey. So coming to my first book which I read is You Can Win. So this is the book which I got in my school days. So apart from my textbooks, I read this book and it helped me to establish new goals, a new reward or sense of purpose. So before that, I don't understand what to do, how, where should I go, and then the exciting ideas about myself and the future come from this book. So this books build confidence in me by thinking positively. So this is a quite practical guide, a common sense guide that will help you to lead from ancient wisdom to the modern day thinking. So this book contains small stories and small anecdotes which help you to think and then take decisions. Definitely I will recommend reading this book once. The next book in my list is Kiss That Frog. So the author Brian Tracy in this, they tell us about a small story, fairy tale story in the beginning, that is about the lonely princess in the fairy tale who was reluctant to lock lips with the watery, ugly frog and transform him into a handsome prince. So something stops many of us for attaining our dreams. So our negativity, our thought, our emotions, our attitude. So once we overcome with that, and then we get what we wanted to achieve. So this books inspired me and helped me to get rid of those negativity in the life and becoming whatever I want to become and getting whatever I used to get it. So the beautiful learning of this book I get is by getting rid of the things which you don't like. For example, whenever I have some miscommunications or not good relationship with anyone or any friend, I don't keep it with the behavior feeling with me. I simply get rid of this. So there are so many techniques this book tell us how to get rid of the negative thinking, and definitely this is the one of the book I love it. And there is a very beautiful quotes there. There is nothing either good or bad, but thinking make it so. So this quotes is very perfect for this book because our thinking make it something good or bad. In the next book which in the list come is Who My Cheese. Who Moved My Cheese. This is the one of the book which basically changed my life. It is a simple parable to reveal the profound truth about the dealing with the change. So anyone can enjoy this book, and you know the change is only truth in the life, and everyone has to deal some time to time and take decisions. I read this book when I was basically moving from my school days to college, and there was a drastic change in my life. The school days life and is changed to the college day life. And in school, whatever fame I had, I completely feel like going into a different world when I went to the college. So something in the beginning is not interesting to me, the new friends, new culture, new way of learning. And then I came across this book, and this book helped me to deal with those change situations. And after that, the learning from this book keep helping me in my professional life as well, and it keep helping me in future as well. So I will recommend to reading this book whenever I feel something that not working for me or not I'm fearful for the change. I generally go to this book and just read through my summary and sayings and then help me again, and it give me another confidence to move further. The next book I would say I read is Unposted Letters. So this is one of my favorite book. This book helped me to think the most simple way and how to avoid unnecessary drama in my life. I love it. So this book contains short chapters, lessons, and each lesson help you in think. And after reading that lesson, you will have a different insight of the life. So this book is amazing. I wish everybody in the world could read this book. This world would be much better place if that happened. As a smart, I'm going to, if I have to gift a book to someone, I would definitely give this book in that present. And finally, the next book I would say which changed my life is Think and Grow Rich. So again, this is a fable about a boy who raised by his carpenter father, which is initially sick and tired, not earning enough money. And then he went in the journey and met so many people who inspired him to accumulate the wealth. So in this book, the story is not about this fable, but thinking when you read this story, and it gives you more deeply about the dynamics of the wealth creation. The key of wealth is contained in the story behind the story, the lesson behind the lesson. And to find those key, the reader has to become better at seeing. And that book has a special saying, what you see is always what you get. So I read this book a couple of times. I read this book 4 times, and every time I read this book, I get a new insight. I used to read this book with my friends as well. When I used to go to my office and while doing the carpool, I generally read this book and we discuss. And when I discuss, I see that my friend had a different insight and I have a different insight, and both are correct. And then this book keep inspiring me to do some actions. And it is the one of the favorite book of my life. So I will give this as a number 1 in my life changing journey. So it is not only about the wealth creation, but it's understanding what exactly wealth is and improving my life in. So that's it, my friend. Today, thank you for the listening, and definitely if you read this book, it helped you as well.